Hello students, this is Purushottam Vishwakarma and today we are going to know the revised syllabus of class 9th English. What are the chapters deleted, what you have to study and what not. We are going to discuss in this video. So stay tuned with me. Let's know what is your revised syllabus. That is also known as rationalized syllabus. Let's begin. As you can see here, English language and literature, code number 184. Here you can see code number 184 is your code for CBSE. Syllabus class 9th 2021. This is your recent syllabus that you have to study during corona pandemic. Sections, there are 3 sections for your syllabus planner. Reading skills 40 periods, writing skills with grammar 40 periods, and literature along with supplementary reading, that is your second book, Moments, 50 periods. In all 130 periods. So you have to study in all 130 periods. What is your question paper pattern? That is most important. You must know your goal, what you have to study. Before studying further, it is most important. It is crucial for you to know your syllabus. What is your syllabus? It's very important for you. So let's know what is your syllabus. What is going to be your question paper pattern? What is going to be asked in your examination? Part A. The very first part, that is part A in your question paper, will be of reading. Reading, and under reading there will be unseen passage. Unseen passage here means 20 marks. 20 marks for unseen passages. What is going to be asked here? In unseen passage, what will be asked? You must know very well. Multiple choice questions based on a discursive passage. Multiple choice questions. I would like to remind you, this year most of the questions will be asked in the form of MCQs. So what is basically going to be asked in the examination? MCQs. Most of the questions that are going to be asked will be MCQs. Very first question, multiple choice question based on a discursive passage of 400 to 450 words. You will have a passage approximately of 400 to 450 words to test inference, evaluation and vocabulary. 10 out of 12 questions to be answered. So you have to answer 10 and total number of questions will be given 12. Next question, multiple choice questions based on a case based factual passage. Second question that is going to be asked, because you know I have told you 20 marks for unseen passage for reading and comprehension. 10 we have discussed. For the first question 12 questions are going to be asked. You have to attempt 10 only. For the second one same will be there, 10 out of 12. The second question that is going to be asked, multiple choice questions based on a case based factual passage with visual input, statistical data, chart, etc. You can be given any such visuals, any such statistics, and you will be asked 12 MCQs. And what you have to do? You have to answer 10 MCQs. Most important, total length of 2 passages to be 600 to 700 words. In all, the two passages given would be 700 words. The first one 400 and second one a maximum 300. Now come to the next question. The next section that comes, literature textbook. There will be MCQs from your textbook as well. And you know very well, you have two books to study. The first one Beehive and second one Moments. Question number 3. Multiple choice questions based on an extract from a drama, prose to test inference. From where? From your prose. Whether it can be from Beehive or from Moments. Any one out of two extracts to be done. And mind it, you will be given two extracts. Hopefully one from Beehive, one from Moments. And you will have to attempt only one out of two. Each one will carry equal marks, 5 marks. 5 MCQs will be given and you will have to answer. Next question, that is question number 4. Another MCQ type question. Multiple choice questions based on an extract from poetry to test analysis and interpretation. Same, any one out of two extracts to be done. So 2 extracts from poetry and you will have to attempt only one. Each MCQ will be of 1 mark. 5 MCQs, 5 marks. I hope it is clear. Now let's see the grammar section. Till now we have discussed 30 marks. Now let's see question number 5. Grammar portion. We have already discussed 30 mark questions. Now remaining in part A, that is 10 marks. Grammar section. In grammar section, once more only MCQs would be asked. Here as well you will be asked MCQs. So grammar will be asked related to MCQs. 10 multiple choice questions out of 12. Once again 10 out of 12 MCQs are going to be asked. Questions shall be based on the following. On what basis? Tenses, models, subject verb agreement, that is also known as subject verb concord, reported speech, commands and requests, statements, questions. You will have to study reported speech, that is also known as narration, direct and indirect speech, along with determiners. These topics are to be studied in grammar section. And for these chapters you will have questions based on MCQ. 12 MCQs will be asked and you will have to attempt only 10. Now what is deleted? What were the chapters before corona pandemic, before this year? What you are not going to study anymore for this year? Deleted topics are use of passive voice, clauses, noun, adverb clause and condition along with time and relative clause, along with prepositions. These are the chapters that are deleted from your syllabus. Till now we have discussed 40 marks. If I recapitulate, 20 marks for reading and comprehension. For that you will be given 2 passages. 2 passages, 20 marks. Then 1 from drama or prose, 1 extract from your book from drama or prose. MCQs 5 marks. 1 from poetry 5 marks and 10 from grammar. In all 40 marks. Now we'll come to second part of this question paper, part B, that will also be of 40 marks. So what is going to be asked? We'll look at here. In part B, there will be writing and literature. In the part 1, part A, we have discussed reading and comprehension along with grammar. There is a little bit portion of your literature as well, extract based questions. So in part B, that is writing, 10 marks. For writing, you have to attempt 2 questions for 10 marks. Question number 1 in writing, in part B, question number 1, writing a descriptive paragraph, word limit 100 to 120 words. That is also known as article writing. So article writing. This descriptive paragraph is also known as article writing. What is the topic? Article writing on a person. Before this revised syllabus, there were many topics in article writing, but now you have to study only one: article writing, descriptive paragraph writing on a person or a diary entry. So this question will be of diary entry or article writing. 2 will be given. 1 out of 2 questions is to be answered. You will be given 2 questions, one article, another diary entry, or any, maybe both article writing, maybe both diary entry, but you have to attempt only one out of 2. Next question, writing a story. In writing section, you will be given 5 marks for 1 question, and remaining 5 marks for writing. Writing a story, story limit, word limit 100 to 120 words. On the basis of given cues, you will be given some help. According to that, you have to create your story, your imaginary story. 1 out of 2 questions is to be answered. In this question, you can be given 3 types of stories. First one, starting is given. Second one, ending is given. And the third one, cue is given. You have some cues, and then after you have to form your story. So that will give you 5 marks. Next question. But before that, I would like to remind you what are the topics deleted here. Earlier, you had to study letter on a situation. That is not given in your syllabus right now. Descriptive paragraph on a place or event. As I told you, it was there in your syllabus. Place or event. But now you have to study only on a person. Descriptive paragraph or article writing on a person. Next, remaining 30 marks for literature. Literature 30 marks. What are the questions that are going to be asked from literature? We'll discuss here. Literature 30 marks. For literature, you have question number 3 in part B. 4 out of 6 short answer type questions to be answered in 20 to 30 words, each from beehive and moments. Mind it. 2 from beehive and 2 from moments. You will be given 6, that means 3 from each, but you have to attempt 2 from each. You will be given 3 from each, but you have to attempt 2 from each. Mind it, you are not free to answer 3 from any particular book. You have to attempt 2 from each book, and for that you will be given 2 marks each. that is 8 marks. Understood? Next question. 4 out of 6 short answer type questions to be answered in 40 to 50 words. These questions were 20 to 30 words. But now 4 out of 6 short answer type questions to be answered in 40 to 50 words. Each from beehive and moments. Same from beehive and moments. 2 out of 3 from beehive and 2 out of 3 from moments. I hope it is clear. I have cleared it. 2 from beehive, 2 by 3, and 2 from moments, that is 2 by 3. You are not free to answer all the 3 questions from any particular book, whether it is beehive or moments. Next question, that is question number 5. 1 out of 2 long answer type questions from beehive, that is your first book, prose book, beehive. 1 out of 2 long answer question. 2 will be given, 2 long answer questions would be given, and you will have to attempt only 1. Next, and this will give you 5 marks, mind it. Next, in last question in your question paper, 1 out of 2 long answer. Till now we have discussed long answer question from beehive, remaining moments. So 2 long answer type questions from moments, and you have to attempt only 1 out of 2, and that will also give you 5 marks. In all, your question paper is going to be of 80 marks. I hope you understood it very well. If you have any doubt, any question, you can simply comment me in the comment box. Once again, I would like to remind you what are the topics related from your syllabus. From beehive, the lake Isle of Innisfree, that is deleted. The snake and the mirror, the duck and the kangaroo, Kathmandu, a slumber did my spirit seal. These chapters are deleted. From moments, deleted chapters are Iswaran the storyteller, the second chapter from your moments book, and the accidental tourist. These 2 chapters are deleted. So you have to prepare yourself according to this syllabus and question paper pattern. You have to plan your study according to this syllabus. That's all for the day. Thank you.